Just finished your trip? Here's how to leave a review on Booking.com and help other travelers, step by step. You can only review a property after your checkout date, and only if you book through Booking.com, no exceptions. Open the app or go to the website. Log into the account you use to book your stay. Tap on Bookings or My Trips and find the stay you want to review. You'll see a prompt that says, Leave a review. You'll be asked to rate from 1 to 10 and answer quick questions like cleanliness, staff, location, comfort, and value. Then write a short comment. Be honest, but fair. Reviews help other travelers and also give feedback to the host. You only have 28 days after checkout to leave a review. Once submitted, you can't edit it, so double check before posting. You can also leave a private message to the property. Only the host sees it. It won't appear in your public review. That's how to review on Booking.com like a pro. Like and follow for more travel tips that actually help.